Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be unboxing the brand new Realme 6. Yes, it's a few months old, but hey, old is gold, and right now it's the perfect time to buy the mid-ranger since it's seeing many price drops across the market. Without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Here we have the banana box. It is bright yellow, so I just nicknamed it a banana. I actually like the style and theme. At the back we have some spec highlightings and a pricing sticker. Now let's open the box. Welcome to the Realme family. Thank you. Let us see what else is in the box. You get a SIM ejector pin, a user manual and a quick start guide, a case which looks neat and feels sturdy. Any protection is a good protection. We have the phone itself. Let's keep that aside for now. Then we have a rather huge charger, which is a 30-watt WOOC 3.0 charger. Nice to see Realme include it in the box. Redmi, I'm looking at you. Ending the unboxing is a USB Type A to USB Type C cable with the banana accent. I really like Realme's dedication to bananas. No, it's yellow, not bananas. Now let us peel the plastic cover and take a first look at the phone itself. The Realme 6 is available in two color options, Comet Blue and Comet White. We got the Comet Blue option for the review, and it certainly looks quite premium and maybe futuristic, since the design is inspired by comets. The first and the most noticeable change in the Realme 6 is the design. The teardrop notch is replaced with a punch hole for the front camera. Additionally, the fingerprint reader has been shifted to the side and doubles as a power button. The phone still sports a plastic build, and it is sturdy with no creaking or flexing like the Realme 5 series from last year. Overall, the phone is quite comfortable to hold in hand. At the bottom, you find the headphone jack, the USB Type-C port and a single firing speaker. Coming to the display, the Realme 6 is equipped with the 6.5-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The major highlight of this screen is the 90Hz refresh rate, which makes the display of competing smartphones feel old-fashioned. The display itself is pleasing to look at, and the viewing angles are great for an LCD panel. Brightness was not an issue as well, since it was bright enough most of the time. On the hardware front, the Realme 6 is powered by a MediaTek Helio G90T processor along with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. We have the 4GB RAM and 128GB variant for testing. The memory can be further expanded up to 256GB via the dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of security, the phone comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor along with a face unlock. Both unlock methods are really quick. In terms of software, it runs on Android 10 with Realme UI running on top of it. The interface is more like a mix of stock Android and One UI, which means navigating around the Realme UI should be quite easy and smooth. The Realme 6 packs a quad camera setup, which comes with the combination of 64MP Samsung DW1 sensor, 8MP ultra-wide lens, 2MP macro and a 2MP depth sensor. At the front, there is a 16MP selfie camera. That said, the smartphone clicks some really good photos in the daylight condition, with subject being sharp and colors being close to the source. Keeping the phone alive is the fairly sized 4300 mAh battery, which should easily last you a day of light to moderate usage. The 30-watt fast charger can take this phone from 0 to 50 in just 30 minutes, which will be really handy if you want quick top-ups. That's it for now. We'll be covering all aspects of the phone in depth in our full review. We'll be testing this phone for about 2 weeks and we'll be telling our thoughts and verdict. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit that subscribe button with the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.